What a mop. It'd be a shame if it disappeared. Oops. I guess my hand just slipped. I see skin, people. Anyone got a broom? Well, that ought to do it. Move over, supercuts. What? Check it out. Move over, supercuts.
What the? Who did this? You two barked up the wrong tree.
What tree? What? Where are we?
Your worst nightmare, of course!
A challenge? Let's go!
Here it comes.
Those don't fight, do they? Ooh, you seeing this? Anyway. Oh, stupid bug! Shoo! On second thought, boom, baby! Oh, man. So annoying. Wait, I've got it! Butterfly, anyone? Watch, you'll see what I mean. I call this my happy accident. I just have to add a few extra touches. Now press. And impress. Some outlining goes a long way. Can't forget little antenna. Butterfly perfection. See? Cool, but not as cool as mine. Hey, get back here!
Very good. Hey, it's blank! Well, let's see here. 2 wings, bright colors. Look! Scores up!
Yes!
Next up, something to make us all growl.
Wow!
Yeah.
You like that? Then enjoy this.
What? Hey, that's mine! Jeez, that hurt. Whatever. My turn! Look! Wow, a pen! Wait, stunt pen? Even better. Oh, friend, want it? Duh! What's happening? Wow, I've got some work to do. Easy, easy. Yep, let me take the lead. Look at that thing dance. I'm shaking, baby. You did this on purpose? Hey! Is that a cat? How do I? Stop. Thank you. Now for a little color. What's a tiger without stripes, right? Orange and black for the win. I can practically hear him growl. Wait, can't forget the tail. And that's how it's done, folks. What he said.
What in the world? Looks like a tiger to me. Well done.
Yes! Okay, I guess.
Wait, I have an idea.
You do?
Give me a sec.
Where's he going? Whatever.
A burrito for lunch? What was I thinking?
Let's see.
No, it's never ending!
Whew.
Oh, man.
What?
Alright, I'm back.
No way! Look! What is it? His shoe? No, not appropriate. Could have happened to anyone. Hashtag maturity. Wait, it's perfect. Just watch and learn. Keep going. There. Now scrunch it up a bit. You can make shapes with it. See? Can you guess what it is? Some color ought to help. Just like you'd find on a perfect spring day. So beautiful. Almost finished. See? It's a masterpiece. Oh yeah? What do you call this? Look at mine, Teach. Meow.
Me no likey. And the winner is…
Me!
Hey, it's back! I gotta go! Like, right now!
Hey!
I'll be using this, but in the meantime, I'll be back!
This should be fun. Howdy! Anyone need a hand? Just me? This is gonna be so good. Oh, yeah.
Whoa! Is that blood?
Does it look like blood?
Yes! Who? What?
Aw, everyone's so scared.
That's insane!
That was a good time. But I can do one better. Turns out this hand is pretty versatile. Especially when fingers don't necessarily look like fingers. See ya! Almost done. Just a few minor details to go. Cluck, cluck, folks. I need… It's not here. Colors. Just fill it in, will ya?
Okay. Challenge accepted. Let's start with my favorite. Hey, it's really coming together now. Oh, the beak. Ta-da!
Thanks for the extra hand.
You're done. Very interesting. I love it.
Yeah, you do.
Easy now. Are you ready?
Ooh, definitely. I could use a little breather. Yummers.
Tell me about it.
All done.
Physics, man. Unreal. Now for a little research. Anything good in here? This is unbelievable! Now hold on just a minute. Things are about to get even more interesting. Just you wait and see. Perfect. Science and art unite! Is this brilliant or what? The perfect little circles. And next, some pink, please. Hey, they look like fireworks! Or cute little furry creatures. So cute. Check this one out. So sleepy. I recognize this guy. And last but not least, my little sporty friend. All just hanging out. See? Hey, look.
Huh?
Look familiar?
Wait, is that me?
And this one? Guess who this is?
Oh, nailed it.
Wait, who's this guy? I'll show you. Me?
So sweet. You win.
Really? Yes!
What? So unfair.
We'll see. Wow.
Pretty sweet.
And it's about to get a little brighter.
Give me that!
It's mine! Now give it! Ah!
Jeez, okay, fine.
Mine! Oh yeah!
We'll see about that. I've got painting of my own to do.
Huh?
Gross!
Oh yeah? You wanna paint? Let's paint!
No way!
Your face! Wait a minute. This is gonna be epic! And to think I don't even need a paintbrush. Ta-da! Shines bright, right?
Well, well, well. Wow! And you?
Huh? Hey!
Hold on. Wait for it.
Seriously? You got this one.
Nice! I did it!
And now, check it out.
A heart? The most powerful organ in the body. The giver of life.
Boring. Yikes. That isn't good. Yuck. Wait. Third time's the charm. Or not. Ugh, I'll never get this right.
Me, on the other hand?
Ugh! I stink! Huh. Now we're talking. No. Definitely not. Oh yeah. Hot glue to the rescue. Now this is what I call a heart. And it's way better than some stupid old marker. This thing is like 3D. Can you see what I'm doing here? That's right. It's my love web. How do you like that?
All done. And you're delicious.
What? That's awfully literal. And yours? I like that.
Wait, I didn't win?
No, I did, baby!
You like?
Definitely.
Wait.
Jealous?
Not really.
Is that real?
Rude!
No, I can do better than that. Just watch.
Ugh, nope!
Hey, my chalk!
Go cry about it!
No! Stop that!
Too late! It's powder now! What a mess, huh? Who's laughing now?
My oh my. Use this.
Huh? Petroleum jelly?
Mix it up.
Oh, I get it. This chalk's about to get reborn. From useless powder to a colorful, creamy texture. Come on, a little more. There, now watch this. You can press it into the paper. I made yellow too. Now these are flowers.
No, this is.
Let's see. Anyway, these I can get on board with. Just brilliant.
I did it! I win! Wait.
A tie? But how?
Now, hold on. Who wins? Hey guys, cast your vote down below.
Pick me, come on!
No! Vote for me! Me! Bye!
Yeah.